Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jevon Light and you're back with Jevon Light Finance. Listen, thank you for stopping by again. If it's your first time here, please like the video, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are. Anyway guys, in this video I want to talk about the current state of the crypto markets, guys. As you know, at the moment the crypto market is taking a fall, like a huge fall. Started out the week very with some negative news coming out of China that basically send the crypto market into a downwards trend. And yeah guys, basically it's carnage at the moment. A lot of people, they're panicking. I kind of see this coming. So for me, yeah, this was like business as usual, if you ask me, to be honest, because if there's one thing I know about these markets, guys, the financial markets, doesn't matter whether it's crypto or just currencies, commodities, whatever market it is, guys, I know for a fact 100% that nothing goes up forever. Guys, nothing goes up forever. There's always going to be a pullback. There's always going to be a retracement. There's always going to be a dip, right? So I kind of see this coming. And to be honest, I was very fearful for a lot of new people coming into the markets. Because, like I said, I know this was going to happen. A lot of new people came into the market, like I just said, and a lot of people with no experience, they basically heard that people are invested in cryptos and making a lot of money. Someone neighbor told him, someone co-worker told him, basically just giving them the basic information without any knowledge of how the financial markets or even how the crypto market in general work. They just basically been told that, yeah, so and so, they invested in so and so crypto and they're now millionaires. Everyone have been told that story. So they opened their brokerage account, bought some cryptos and thinking, yeah, I'm gonna be the next millionaire, let me buy this as well. This is good, this is amazing. I mean, Elon Musk is doing it, so it must be good. So there's a lot of things like that going on, guys, and a lot of newbies coming into the market, and they are entering the markets at the very highs, guys. They're buying in when the market is so high. It's not a good place to start, right? If there's one thing I know, is you always sell high and buy low. But a lot of people, they come into the market and they start to buy these cryptos when the price is peaking, guys. Some people, they're buying into Bitcoin when it was at like 40,000. I'm like, don't do that, and so much people as well. I have had conversation with people, and I'm like, and they're telling me that they have bought cryptos, and I'm like, yo, now might not be the best time to be buying. Have you checked the charts? Have you seen how high the prices are? Like, you probably don't want to be buying in at those prices. And the feedback I'm getting is like, no, don't even worry about that. Just go in and hold it. And I'm like, okay. But basically, guys, that is where a lot of people get into trouble when it comes to investing in anything. You know what I mean? Like, just bad advice. Like, if you're gonna buy in at the highs, when the time for a pullback come, you're not gonna be ready for that, right? A lot of people, they don't understand that like the pullback will come. It is coming, and if you're not psychologically ready for a pullback, then you're gonna make some bad decisions, right? You're not going to be ready to see your money declining. You're not going to be ready to see your investment declining, right? If you're not psychologically prepared, guys, when that pullback come, you will make the wrong decision. You're likely to take your money and run, right? And that is the biggest mistake you can make. Like, if you're gonna invest in something for the long term, then you should be willing and ready to ride that pullback, right? And if you're seeing your money just declining on a day-to-day basis, because guys, with cryptos, these declines, they come quick, right? The declines come very quickly, guys. Like, cryptos is probably the only market when you can see 20%, 30% decline in a day, and that's considered normal, to be honest. But what a lot of people will not be ready for is to see that 20-30% happening like 2, 3, 4 days in a row. So this is when things start getting emotional, and if you're psychologically compromised, and you're not going to be able to ride that pullback all the way down, and give the market time to find that bottom, and and wait for that rally to happen again. Yeah, so you have to be psychologically prepared for that. If you're not, you're likely to take your money and run. I mean, guys, I've been checking social media, and I'm seeing so much people just posting a lot of negative stuff, like, yeah, basically everyone ate cryptos at the moment. I'm seeing messages on Instagram, people just say, listen, I don't even want to hear the word cryptos anymore. I don't want nothing to do with crypto. You can take your BTT coins and move them away from me. I don't want to hear about cryptos right now. You know what I mean? That is the sentiment right now, guys. So people just, yeah, they just don't want to hear nothing about cryptos, and that is where we're at right now. So yeah, those kind of people, I would say, they are the ones that just bought in because someone told them to, had no real reason to buying in. They just go in because everyone else is doing it, right? So when things like this happen, they have no idea what to do, right? The right thing to do would be to hold that investment. Well, the right thing to do is to go in that investment for the right reasons in the first place. If you go in for the right reasons in the first place, then you would have done your research. You would have have some projection for the future, and you would be willing and you'll be ready to ride that pullback and be patient, give that investment time to to rally again, right? That's just how the markets move in general, guys. Like I said, nothing moves in a straight line up, right? What you're gonna see is you're gonna have a rally, a pullback, another rally, another pullback. That's just how the market moves, guys. Bitcoin have done this, right? A few years back, we saw Bitcoin rally up to 20,000, right? Then we saw it pull back all the way down to about 6,000, guys. Then it rallied again, all the way up to about 40 plus thousand, right? So this is nothing new. This has happened before. It's the people that are not psychologically ready for it. They are the one that's gonna really suffer, right? So I'll say, guys, trade psychology or investment psychology is a real thing, right? And that's where a lot of people either make a lot of money or lose a lot of money, right? Because if you're not psychologically prepared, you're gonna make some mistakes, right? Listen, guys, if any of this is making sense to you, give the video a thumbs up. Share this with someone. Share it. I know someone that needs this right now, guys, because yeah, so much people would have gotten into the markets for the wrong reason, and I know they are suffering right now. So share this video with them. There is hope. You just have to be patient, guys. You have to be patient. Just hold on to your cryptos. Log out of Coinbase or Binance or whatever platform you're using to invest. Just log out and forget about it, guys. Hold it. Give it time, and let the market come back. Like I've said, we have seen this before. I mean, China have made announcements like this in the past. You know what I mean? I think it was 2013, or I can't remember the exact date, but they announced like some news that was, again, it impacted the crypto market in a very negative way, right? So this is nothing new. I think the recent news that they released as well was just basically reiterating that, like, actually the news that they released recently was very devastating, because they literally ban all institutions from providing any services in relation to cryptos, right? So negative impact, but China is not the world crypto market, guys, so hold your investments, give it time to bounce back. And I know your boy Elon Musk was trying to save the market when all this was happening by, releasing that statement again, basically that he's not selling any of his cryptos, trying to hold the market up. But it didn't help. The market is still in free fall right now, guys. But still, hold it. Yeah. I know a lot of people as well would have probably gotten involved using money that they can't afford to lose. That was a mistake from the beginning. I'm sorry. But you shouldn't be doing that, guys. You shouldn't be investing money you're not ready to lose, right? So those people in particular, psychologically, they are going to be suffering right now, because if you have your life savings riding on, Bitcoin, for example, you're going to be thinking at this moment, should I take my money and run? This is my life savings. I can't afford to lose anymore. The pain is getting too much. Should I just take my money and run? And a lot of the time, people will actually take their money and run, guys, and that would be a mistake to make right now. Yeah. So this is why I always say to people as well, cryptos is very volatile, guys. 20% swings in a day is nothing, right? So this is why I always tell people, when you're investing, cryptos should not hold a major, or a majority of your portfolio, right? Cryptos should be a small percentage of your overall portfolio, guys, right? Because like I said, it's very volatile. No one wants to see their life savings, taking 20% dips, in a day. You don't want that. So yeah, guys, make sure that cryptos is a small percentage of your portfolio. Like I said, guys, share the video, with anyone you think might be interested. Hit that like button. There is hope. Hold on to your cryptos. Like I said, log off these platforms, leave them, forget about them for a while. Give that market time to come back, right? I think I'm gonna wrap this video up there. Listen, guys, if any of this is making sense to you, like the video, comment, subscribe, guys. Help a small YouTuber grow, okay? I know this message, I know someone needs to hear this right now. Yeah, guys, so yeah, man, give the video a thumbs up and, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching again. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, every single one of you, right? I'm on 28 subscribers now, right? Who's gonna be the 29? I hope you're gonna be the 29. Listen, hit that subscribe button. Peace.